Welcome to KP Points. In last lecture, we discussed about top 50 question of cell. Now, we discuss about top 50 question of kingdom Plantae. Let's start. First question is, the study of plants is known as zoology? No, because study of animals known as zoology. Botany? Yes. Correct answer is B. Question number 2, plants belonging to kingdom Plantae are autotrophic? Yes. Autotrophic, they synthesize their own food. Question number 3, which pigment is responsible for photosynthesis in plants? Carotenoids? No. Chlorophyll? Yes. Question number 4, the plant body of algae is called thallus? Yes. Those plant body which cannot differentiate into root, stem, and leaf called thallus. Clear? Question number 5, which among the following is non-vascular plant? Non-vascular plant is that means xylem and phloem absent. Ferns? No. Mosses? Yes. Question number 6, bryophyta are also called amphibians of plant kingdom? Yes. Correct answer is A. Question number 7, the dominant phase in bryophytes is sporophyte? No. Gametophyte? Yes. Question number 8, which one produce through spores? Ferns? No. Pine? Yes. Question number 9, which is first terrestrial plant group? Algae? No. Bryophyta? Yes. Question number 10, vascular tissue first appeared in algae? No. Bryophytes? No. Pteridophytes? Yes. Now 11, which of the following has naked seed? Angiosperm? No, because angiosperm have covered seed. Gymnosperm? Yes. Correct answer is B. 12, Pinus belongs to which group? Bryophytes? No. Gymnosperm? Yes. 13, in angiosperm, seeds are enclosed with ovule? No. Fruit? Yes. Seed inside the fruit. Okay? Question number 14, the reproductive organ in angiosperm are leaves? No. Flowers? Yes. Next, 15, the xylem and phloem in plants are reproductive tissue? No. Conductive tissue? Yes. Also known as vascular tissue. Question number 16, algae are mostly found in desert? No. Aquatic habitat? Yes. Next is 17, which of the following is a red algae? Spirogyra? No. Polysiphonia? Yes. Polysiphonia, porphyra, example of red algae. Question number 18, the life cycle with alternation of generation is seen in animals? No. Plants? Yes. 19, in moss, the capsule is part of sporophyte? Yes. Question number 20, the fern plant you see is a gametophyte? No. Sporophyte? Yes. Question number 21, which of the following plant produce cones? Ferns? No. Cycas? Yes. Now 22, the term cryptogams means seed bearing plants? No. Seedless plant? Yes. Question number 23, in algae, sexual reproduction is by gamete fusion? Yes. Question number 24, Marchinsia belongs to Bryophyta? Yes. Now next, 25, Selaginella is the example of algae? No. Bryophyta? No. Pteridophyta? Yes. Next is 26, the diploid phase in plant is called gametophyte? No, because gametophyte is haploid. Sporophyte? Yes. Sporophyte always and always diploid in nature. Question number 27, which part of moss help in attachment to the soil? Roots? No, because roots are not found in moss. Rhizoids? Yes. 28, the reproductive organ of Pteridophyta is flower? No. Cone? No. Sporangium? Yes. 29, gymnosperms are mostly herbaceous? No. Woody? Yes. Important. Next is 30. Which plant is known as living fossil? Cycas? No. Fern? No. Pine? No. Ginkgo? Yes. Next is 31. Angiosperms are divided into Bryo and Pteridophyta? No. Monocots and dicots? Yes. Question number 32. Double fertilization is a unique feature of algae? No. Bryophyta? No. Gymnosperm? No. Angiosperm. Now question number 33. Embryo sac is a part of ovule? Yes. 34. Which one is non-flowering plant? Mango flowering plant है. Pine, rose flowering plant, sunflower. Answer is pine. Next is 35. Bryophyta required water for photosynthesis? No. For fertilization? Yes. Next is 36. Which of the following is heterosporous Pteridophyta? Fern? No. Selaginella? Yes. Next is 37. Which one these in an algae? Funaria? No. Cycas? No. Spirogyra? Yes. Spirogyra is an example of algae. Question number 38. The plant kingdom belongs to domain Archaea? No. Bacteria? No. Eukarya? Yes. Next is 39. Fertilization in angiosperm occurs in anther? No. Ovule? Yes. Correct answer is ovule. Next is 40. The male gamete in flowering plant is formed in pollen grain? Yes. Next is 41. Which structure carries male gametes in seed plants? Spores? No. Pollen grains? Yes. 42. Bryophytes and pteridophytes are similar because both have seeds? No. Both need water for fertilization? Yes. 43. The outermost covering of pollen grain is intine? No. Exine? Yes. Question number 44. Which of the following is an example of gymnosperm? Pinus? Yes. Correct answer is Pinus. Question number 45. Which of the following shows alternation of generation? Found in algae? Yes. Found in ferns? Yes. Found in bryophytes? Yes. That means all of the above. Question number 46. 45 done. Question number 46. The seed habit first appeared in bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm or angiosperm? Tell me in comment section. Question number 47. In moss, the leafy stage is sporophyte? No. Gametophyte? Yes. Question number 48. Which part of plant absorb water and minerals? Root? Yes. 49. The reproductive structure of Pteridophyta is called Archegonium, Antheridium, Sporangium? Yes. Question number 50. Last, angiosperm seeds are enclosed with a cone? No. Fruit? Yes. Because seed inside the fruit. 50 question of Kingdom Plantae. Simple questions of Kingdom Plantae. Tell me your score in comment section. Number of correct questions.